perks and got us the top row of the stadium. Woo!
Sabbatical, a time intended to rest, relax, and recharge. We chose to take our 3-month sabbatical on our old camper and travel the United States. We are Rob and Susie, and this is our story.
Where are we at, Rob?
Welcome to Florida, where it never rains. Just always beautiful, sunny.
Listen, I don't know what the heck happened here. We left Maine because it was in the 50s. I thought it was cold and I wanted to go. Now we just crossed the border into Florida. 46. Raining. Brr. I want my money back.
All right, we made it to McClenny, Florida. We're at a hip camp called 3 Arrows Homestead RV site. Really cool place. You can see a little bit there. Got our trailer parked in the grass, got the kayak off, but it's been raining for a day and a half. Well, all night last night, most of today, and it's supposed to keep raining.
It's cold.
Not 100% sure you guys can see this picture, but this is the image my camera from my drone is showing me. It's stuck in a tree really far up, actually 309 feet up in the air. I was flying the drone, sun was in my eyes again, and didn't realize there was a tree behind the trees. So now, right now, my drone is stuck up in a tree 310 feet. I don't know if I'll ever get this tree back. I'm not climbing that tree. There's power to it right now. So maybe the wind will blow and it'll knock it down. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's time to get a new drone.
Not all of our choices are good ones, that's for sure. Today, we're choosing to go kayaking in northern Florida, a place called Lofton Creek. It's just north of Jacksonville. And Susie's a little skeptical, a little hesitant, and why is that?
Well, you know, there's alligators in this state. And our host here tells us that pretty much anytime you're near a body of water, there's probably alligators there. But he says they're just like any other animal. They're more scared of you than you are of them. I don't really believe that. Has he not watched any movies? Come on, the alligators are always lurking, ready to take you down to the bottom and roll you around, and yeah, I don't think they're more scared of me than I am of them, because I'm kind of scared of them, so.
But that's a good pro tip. Just remember, guys, alligators are more afraid of you than you are of them. So if you see one, just feel free to say hi, get to know them.
And another note, I want to mention that thank you, Florida, for letting your son come out today. I'm actually in my bathing suit, not wearing my long johns today, because it's been 45 degrees, which is really chilly.
That is chilly. But today is first week in November. It's supposed to be 75 degrees, which is one of the reasons we planned this part of Florida, or southern part, later in our trip, just as for the beautiful weather in the winter. We're ready for good weather.
Yeah, we are.
All right, let's go kayaking with alligators.
Let's do it.
Right, a real fisherman is always ready to cast a line, no matter where he's at. Today, I think we're hunting. Today, I think we're fishing for alligator, but I'm not really sure. Let's see what happens. Susie,
Robert?
if I catch something, can you take it off my hook?
No. If you catch an alligator, I'm not taking it off your hook.
Some of you may be looking at me and saying, Rob, why is it you look like you haven't taken a shower in about 3 to 4 days? Well, the reason is I haven't taken a shower in 3 to 4 days. So we are staying at a hip camp. The problem, the only downside to hip camp is whether or not they actually have sewer hookups. So typically they will come with the water, not always, but a water and electricity hookups, which are awesome. We need those because we love water. My tank can only hold, I think, 50 gallons now. And electrical. This one has I think a 20 amp breaker for electrical, which is awesome. The problem is it doesn't have sewage. Okay, so our tanks cannot hold a lot of water
Now I'm talking about wastewater and waste sewage. So we've been here 6 days, and in 6 days, you can only shower. I can only shower once. Susie showers a couple more times, but we can't fill up our tanks. Once you fill up the tanks, they come back up on you. So we have to limit our showers.
Okay, a couple of things. We've made it to the southern end of the country and the beach. Not totally southern, but Florida Beach. And look at this. You're allowed to park right on the beach as long as you have Pearl Drive. I love it. I love it. To do this in California, and then they probably charge $100 a car. Guess what it costs here? Nothing. I love this state. Now we're in Florida at a place called Sliders, I think, and this is lobster bisque, but I'm worried about these two things. I hope this isn't some kind of Nebraska thing and I am getting testicles with my soup. Maybe they're alligator testicles? I don't know, but I'm a little scared to eat them. Rob's going with the lobster roll.
Lobster roll, baby.
He's gonna try the southern East Coast lobster roll versus the northeast coast. It says it's New England just the same, but I'm doing some kind of fish BLT. Looks yummy.
Today's an exciting day for multiple reasons. One, our friend the sun came out.
Yes.
Apparently the sun does exist.
In the state of Florida, there is a sun.
Yeah, so we got the sun working on us. Today we're gonna go see a professional football game. Jackson Jaguars versus the Buffalo Bills. Now we're not married to either one of those teams. We're just gonna go because we think it'd be cool, I think it would be cool to check out stadiums throughout the U.S. as well. So we're gonna go there, and it's always fun to catch crazy people doing crazy things.
Yeah, we're going insanely early, you know, because you gotta see what goes on at who tailgates well. You know, we've been to the crazy Seattle Seahawks tailgate. We've been to the insane Cleveland Muni lot. Wow.
So now we're gonna check out, see how the Jaguars tailgate.
Yeah. But we gotta mark this date, November 7th, 2021. Really important day. Our long-awaited day that no longer number 15, but I think it's number 17 now.
Number 17 had a number change. JJ Koski
signed with the Rams.
Made active with the Rams. Yes, this week sometime. So this Sunday is his first day. He could potentially play during the season. Just to clear up any confusion, I am not a Rams fan. I'm a JJ Koski fan. She might be leaning towards the Rams, but I'm still a Bolt fan. All right?
Bolt up.
So we got a 30-minute drive. What's our first stop?
Starbucks.
Sign says no parking on football game days. This guy didn't listen. He's out of here. He's gonna be really upset at the end of the game.
Rock really splurged and got us the top row of the stadium. Woo! Also, yesterday Pete mentioned these little ferns that are growing up alongside. They only come out for a couple days when it rains, and then when it's dry for a while, they just shrivel up. Oh my gosh, they're all over this tree. I don't know if you can see that. This is really, really very pretty. So we're behind the old jail in St. Augustine. Everybody said come here, so we did.
We're in the lighthouse. 1,000-watt incandescent bulb is what's powering this bad boy. It just turned on. Pretty cool.
And what?
While we're standing up here, we're actually in an operating lighthouse.
There's how many prisms?
370.
370 prisms.
Prisms operate it.